student. This is the naughty one. The very, very naughty one.
That is the dumb.
Yes.
Crowded place.
Crowded.
Crowded place. Young man was shouting at the crowd.
You point the way. You point. Ikaw point. Ikaw may nagdasal.
People, look at me. The most beautiful heart in the world. Many people look at him and were students to see the heart in a perfect shape. No limits.
Minimize your voice.
Which looks quite amazing. His heart. Amazing. Most people who saw his heart was
Mesmerized
by its beauty and praised him.
However, Ronaldo, get inside, then close the door.
Old man and the young man.
What's this? Challenge.
The young man. No, my son, I have got the most beautiful heart in the world. The young man asked, show me your heart. The old man showed his heart to him. It was very
Go back to your seat, Nerea. Rough, uneven, and had scars all over. Also, the heart was not in the shape of a heart. It appeared like with some pieces in various color were joined together. There were the old man's heart. My dear old man, are you mad? Are you mad? Look at me. Heart, look at my heart. See how beautiful and flawless it is. You cannot find even a bit of imperfection in it. It's blurry.
In it, look at yours. It is full.
Ako makakuha sa inyong color ron. Nagbuang ko na sa tampungan ron. I told you to.
Blemishes. How can you say your heart is beautiful? Dear boy, my heart is just.
It's blurry.
It's just as beautiful as your heart. Do you see